What's up, guys? 5 box mixer number 2 going live. Timestamp is 10:47. I already have the teams and the names in. We randomize both, throw you in a spreadsheet wherever you line up. That's who you get. As always, dice is 4 or more. We're going 8 times. Teams first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and number 8. The Bears are on top. The 49ers are on the bottom. EJBSSK is the code for the teams. Let's do the names. Again, 4 or more. Oh, it is a 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ralph on top. Brian on the bottom. CEESPK is the code for the names. And there you go. That's who everybody has. Alright, we are done. Timestamp is 10:48. Thanks, guys. Good luck.